Hello, amazing learners, and welcome back to Bonza Brain, the place where grammar, finally makes sense.
Yeah.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Ben. Today we're zooming in on two tiny words that cause giant headaches for learners.
Oh no.
Have and has.
These two, they're everywhere, but it feels like a total guessing game.
Right.
Like, I have, she has, they have. How do you keep it straight?
Well, the great news is it's not a guessing game at all.
Really?
There's one simple rule, and it connects directly to something we've already mastered, the magic S.
The magic S, our old friend from the simple present tense.
The very same. So let's pull up our first visual. The two clubs.
Okay.
Imagine two groups. In the big friendly have club, you have I, you, we, and they.
Okay, so the big group gets have. Easy enough.
Now look at the smaller, more exclusive has club in there.
It's just he, she, and it. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
That's the Magic S crew.
Bingo. That is the entire secret.
Wow.
Has is simply the verb have with the magic S attached to it. They aren't two different words.
Okay.
They are two forms of the same verb.
So wait, if the subject is in the Magic S group, the verb needs an S.
Exactly.
Have becomes has. That makes so much sense.
Exactly. And the most common use for this is showing possession, what you own or your relationships.
Right, possession.
Let's look at the possession examples chart. For example, you would say,
I have a question. But for my friend Sarah, I'd say she has a question.
perfect, or we have a great teacher. But for a single student, he has a great teacher. It depends on the subject.
Okay, I'm with you, but I have a feeling it's about to get complicated.
Oh?
What about questions and negatives?
It might seem complicated, but I promise the rule is one you already know. Let's look at the questions and negatives chart.
Okay,
If you want to ask me a question, you'd say, Ben, do you have a pet? But what if you ask about my sister?
Ben, does your sister have a pet? Hey,
What?
it happened again. Has vanished and turned back into have.
And why did that happen, Alex?
Oh, think about our super helper rule.
Of course, the super helper flew in carrying the magic S for the team.
Yes. So the main verb, have, gets to relax and go back to its original base form.
You have absolutely mastered it. The helper verb does all the heavy lifting.
Wow.
It's the same exact thing for negatives. They don't have any snacks, but he doesn't have any snacks.
This is a game changer. So the only time you actually use the word has is in a simple positive sentence where the subject is he, she, or it.
That is the golden rule. Once a helper like don't, doesn't, do, or does appears,
Right.
you will always use have.
I feel like my brain just got a serious upgrade. Are you ready for a quick fire round to lock it in?
I was born ready. Hit me.
Okay. Subject is the dog.
Has. It's an it.
The children.
Have. That's a plural they.
My best friend.
Has. That's a he or she.
You and I.
Have. Because you and I becomes we.
He aced it. And just like that, the mystery is solved. That's your complete guide to mastering have and has.
We really hope this made it all click for you.
Yeah.
If it did, the best way to support Bonza Brain is by hitting that subscribe button and sharing this video with a friend.
It helps us a ton. Thanks for learning with us today.
Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about. We want to see you put this into practice.
Ooh, homework.
And the comments below. Write 2 sentences. 1, tell us something you have. And 2, tell us something a friend or family member has.
Let's see your mastery of have and has in action. See you next time on Bonza Brain.